Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 3, the Meditation of the Enlightening Being, Universally Good. The immensely vast oceans of virtues of universally good goes everywhere to approach the enlightened. To the lands within all atoms, he can travel and clearly appear there. O child of Buddha, we always see you associating with all the enlightened ones, abiding in the real state of concentration, for eons numerous as atoms in all lands. The child of Buddha, with an all-pervading body, can go to the lands in all directions, liberating all the oceans of living beings. Entering into all the parts of the cosmos, entering into all particles of the cosmos, the body is endless and undifferentiated. Omnipresent as space, it expounds the great teaching of the realization of thusness. The light of all virtue, immense like clouds, power surpassing, travelling to all oceans of living beings, expounding the incomparable way practiced by all Buddhas, cultivating and learning the supreme practice of universal goodness, in order to liberate sentient beings for oceans of eons, expounding all truths like a great cloud. The voice is tremendous, none do not hear. How can the land be established? How do the Buddhas appear, and how about beings? Please explain truthfully the truth as it is. Book 4. The Formation of the Worlds. Then the great enlightening being universally good, by means of the spiritual power of the Buddha, looked over the oceans of all worlds, the oceans of all sentient beings, the oceans of all Buddhas, the oceans of all elemental realms, the oceans of all sentient beings' actions, the oceans of all sentient beings' faculties and inclinations, the oceans of all teaching cycles of all Buddhas, the oceans of all time periods, the oceans of all powers of vows of the Buddhas, and the oceans of all the Buddha's miracles. Having thus observed and examined all these, he declared to all the enlightening beings in the ocean of congregations at all scenes of enlightenment, Children of Buddha, the Buddha's pure knowledge of the formation and disintegration of all oceans of worlds is inconceivable.